Making a quick video here just to show people how to install the wheel wraps on a Can-Am Ryker rally wheel. First thing you have to make sure that you do is you have to clean the wheel. Make sure that it's clean and use isopropyl alcohol with at least 91% strength. You don't want to use anything less. You don't want to use soap and water. You don't want to use green clean or anything like that. That will leave a film. Use alcohol and a clean cloth, not a paper towel, anything else that's going to leave lint. Anything else that leaves a film, these will eventually peel off. Once you're sure that the wheel is 100% clean, go ahead and carefully remove the wrap from the backer. Be careful, there are some thin spots on them and it will cause them to stretch and distort, as you can see. Once you've got it removed, line up the center piece side to side, top to bottom. Make sure that you have it perfectly lined up, tack it down, then walk it over to one side, to the corner, line it up perfectly. Then do the other side, pull it out, walk it over, and then tack it down. Once you've got the top lined up and tacked down, then you go ahead and pull down on the lower corners, get a little tight, line it up, make sure it's centered, tack it down, and that's it. Then you go ahead and smooth it out and it's installed. You can go ahead and roll over any excess that's on the sides that may be a little big, or you can go ahead and trim it off. That's up to you.